Nimbulvinaka, my name is Merwale Sirokangima, and my research topic is does climate change really affect the people of Fiji nowadays? The article that I have choose for my research is how Fiji is affected by climate change. The article is about the rapid rise of sea level coupled with warmer temperatures and stronger El Nino patterns increase the island's susceptibility to deadly food and waterborne disease. In addition, the article talks about the changing weather extreme threaten the livelihoods of the Fijians. The Fijian people, implicating the island's ecosystem on land and at sea, ocean acidifications or carbon pollutions that increase the ocean's acidity, impacting the health of the island's coral reef system. Furthermore, countering the crisis will require collective actions of the Fijian government, the nation's private sector, and the world industrial nations. It also talks about the place that has been affected by climate change. For instance, most of the places has been moved or has been relocated due to the effects of climate change or the effect of rising sea level. To move on, the article has some of the strengths and weaknesses. I will discuss the strengths of the article first and then talk about some of the weaknesses. Some of the strengths is that the article is current. Secondly, the author maybe is an expert in the field. The author provide evidence to support his or her points. Others provide multiple points of view. And lastly, others suggest solutions to any issue. Some of the weaknesses I can identify from the article is that the author's name is not mentioned in the article. And lastly, the reference is not provided in the article. My research question is, does climate change really affect the people of Fiji nowadays? One possible answer is yes. Climate change really affects the people of Fiji. According to the World Bank report, climate change threats to Fiji society and to economy include high rates of diseases, disruptions to agriculture, as the intrusion of salt water, and relocations of places. For example, in 2012, Wulindongoloa became the first village to be relocated due to move to high ground due to sea level rise. I agree with the source because it urges the people as the nations to work together to minimize or to combat the effect of climate change. For policies has been implemented to minimize the impact of climate change or impact of rising sea level in Fiji. Therefore, I agree with the source that I have chosen because it talks about the facts of climate change and the way we can move forward to combat climate change for our future generation. Thank you.